Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Ashimary or Ashimary. Child, I always get the name wrong, but you guys see the name in the title, okay? Shout out to you, boo, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So this is a straight unit, and you guys know, like, straight hair is not typically my go-to unless it's kinky straight, girl, because I wear kinky straight unit. But I decided to do something a little different since it is a straight unit. Now, I could have added curls. You know, you can curl your straight units, and yeah, the curls are not going to be the same as a body wave or a curly unit, but you can still curl it if you want to. I opted not to just because I feel like I did that recently with another straight unit, and I kind of wanted to keep it in its natural state. is a 13 by 4 HD lace wig. I have it in 20 inches and it is 180% density. Now when I click on the link, it says Ashimary 13 by 4 HD lace front wig, straight hair, transparent lace wig, natural color, 180% density. So I'm guessing it only comes in 180. Nope, it comes in others. Okay, so the lengths that are available is 16 to 30 inches. As I stated, I am rocking 20 inches. It does come in 150, 180, and 250% density. They offer this unit in transparent and HD lace, and you have the options to choose. So this is a natural black color. The lace is transparent HD Swiss lace, strong and invisible. It says medium size with adjustable straps at back. Small or large size custom feed, please contact customer service. So if you do need this unit in a large or a small, like if the medium doesn't fit you, then you can contact customer service and you'll have to pay a extra fee to get it in a different size. Now, since I'm talking about the cap size, I want to go ahead and mention that this unit is extremely big head friendly. So if you are a small cap size, then I definitely recommend you getting this unit customized. But if you are an average cap size, which I am now, I did have to cut off a lot. So I have that kind of tucked behind my ear, but I had to cut that off because it was just so much. The cap was so big. So you can make it work if you are an average cap size like me, but I do feel like this particular unit is geared more towards the big-headed gals than not, okay? So I want to throw that out there so you guys are aware. I can only imagine what the large cap size is, okay, girl? So I personally think you can get away with just getting it in an average cap size if you have a larger head. But I do only have the head that's on my shoulders. So, honey, take that with a grain of salt, okay? Now, as far as shedding and tangling, this is a straight wig, girl. I did not expect it to shed or tangle straight out of the packaging. That's not to say, oh, girl won't do any other things at some point. That's just to say, oh, girl is not doing any other things right now, okay? Now, I did decide to bleach the knots with this unit. In my opinion, it does require you to bleach the knots. The knots were pretty prominent, but I did not have to tweeze it. She woke up like this, honey, okay? She woke up like this. I didn't have to tweeze this unit whatsoever, and you guys know that is a plus for me because right now I don't mind bleaching knots, but I hadn't got on the tweezing kick like I have the bleaching kick. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so yeah, I love that it came pre-tweezed. And as far as the lace being invisible, I feel like it is. Y'all let me know what you guys think. It is definitely serving HD to me. So yeah, that is it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Okay, so my con with this unit, you already know, girl, say it for me. Say it for me. My con is gonna be that this is a 13 by 4, okay? Even with this style, I am pretty sure there is track showing up there. Do you see track? Okay? So that is always a con for me with, you know, just in general. I am more so, I prefer a unit to be a 13 by 6. Or, you know, even like the closures, like 5x5s and stuff like that. That's just a personal preference. So that is always going to be a con. Okay, now let's get into the pros. My pros with this unit is that I love the lace. I love that it's HD lace. I also love that it came pre-tweezed. And I think the hair feels really nice. I love that. I'm feeling it. Those are my pros with this wig. I would recommend this wig just based off the lace and that it's pre-tweezed, especially if you don't have a straight wig. I feel like I am one of those people, and maybe it's because of what I do, but I like to have air texture, honey. At least one of every texture. And I feel like you need at least, even if you don't like straight hair, you need at least one. Okay, there are certain things, certain places that you can go to where you just want to look sleek and throw on you a sleek straight wig, honey. Okay, don't go nowhere humid because you might be walking out looking a little crazy, but you know, it's just some things you want that sleek look. You know what I mean? So yes, I personally would recommend this unit. All right, y'all. So let me give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you feel like it's a look, it's a vibe. Let me know what you think about my little funky, little cute style, honey. I like to put these, I call them little space buns. I always like to put them on Journey's head, but I do all of her hair like that. So I was like, let's just throw some cute space buns up there. Let's do a little something funky, okay? Make me feel like a Spice Girl or something. So let me know what you guys think down below. Once again, shout out to you, Ashimary, whatever, because I'll never get the name right. Shout out to you, boo, for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, I feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Got every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous